Are you ready to jet ski?
I am ready to jet ski.
Yay! We got our life jackets on, you know, because you can never be too safe. Use protection, guys. Just saying.
You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. I'll take a chance when you let me ride. Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. I'll take a chance when you let me ride. Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Margaret has found suckle shells.
So this is a razor clam. If you were to find one with the clam inside, it's probably the best eating clam on the planet.
So we just got off the jet skis. We had a blast. Did you have a blast?
Yes, definitely.
It was amazing. Just be prepared, ladies, that when you're riding waves at like, what were you going, like 40 RPM or something? Yeah, something like that. The nether regions get a lot of action. So just be prepared. That's all I have to say.